Today I'm making eggplant pizza, summer pizzas, which is very easy to make, and they're delicious as well. So now I'm adding a little bit of salt over them, a little bit of oregano, a bit of pepper, black pepper, olive oil. So I'm going to put them in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So now you just have to push it down a little bit so you have room for the homemade tomato sauce that I have here. And then you do them one by one like that. And now just the burrata, where I need to do a little bit of olive oil. That's it. So you just add this little bit on any each and any. Now I'm adding the tomatoes that I marinated with pepper, salt, and oregano. And I put some fresh parsley over. So now I'm adding a little bit of Parmesan. And I'm going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes or so. Hello foodies, today I made eggplant summer pizzette, which is like small little pizzas, and they're delicious, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Bon appetit!